Hi, I'm Neelam. I live in Johns Creek, Georgia. I recently wanted to update my master closet and I was looking online for a provider. I found Diane from Georgia Closet and she was amazing. She and I worked on the design for several weeks. First, she came, took the measurements, looked at my closet, my stuff, my clothes, my accessories, my shoes. Um, Gave me a general idea of, because I'm not good at design, so she gave me a general idea of what might work and she sent me a design. After that, we did like maybe 6 or 7 iterations because I wanted a laundry hamper, I wanted a very hidden iron stand that's not an eyesore. I wanted a locked drawer for my jewelry, and I wanted hooks to hang my robes and whatnot. And she worked with me and she did all these iterations for me. And 6 weeks later, here we are. I have absolutely utmost confidence in Diane from Georgia Closet. She's done a wonderful, wonderful job. I can't wait to start using this closet.